Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Roblox avatar colour. So I'll be doing this today on a laptop. If you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, it's actually really simple, and what we're going to do is come across to roblox.com, and if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So once you're logged in and you're on your account screen, what you're going to want to do is click the menu in the top left hand corner, so the three lines up here, and then all you need to do is come down and click onto avatar. And it's going to bring up the customization menu for your avatar. And to actually change the color of your Roblox, all you want to do is come across to body. So this menu here, you want to come to body. And when you hover over it, it's going to bring up some options. All you want to do is click onto skin tone. And basically you can choose your color from here. So there's some preset ones. So I could go for like a blue color. And you can see when I'm clicking it, it gives me a preview in this window. So you can choose what colour you want. You can go for green, you can go for like a purple colour. What you can also do is if you scroll down right to the bottom, there's actually an advanced option down here. So if you go and give that a click, you can actually change individual parts. So for example, I can make the head blue. I can make the torso green. I can make his right arm red, and you'll see this is all taking effect and showing in the preview menu. So if you just want to change the overall body colour, you can do it from this one, but if you want to change individual body parts, all you need to do is click onto the advanced menu and you can change the colour of each individual body part, as I've done here. Once you're happy with everything, then you're good to go. There's no save button, so it should save automatically. You'll see if I actually come back to my profile, and you can see when that's reloaded, the colours have taken effect. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.